Hello everyone, welcome to Rise IS. I am Alok Bardhan and in today's prelims wide session, we will discuss a very important article from today's The Hindu newspaper on biochar. So, title of today's article is Biochar offers a way to turn India's farm smoke into black gold. So, this article discusses mainly about what is biochar, how biochar can be produced, how biochar is helpful in agriculture, and how biochar can be helpful for environmental perspective, and what is the current scenario of using biochar, how it helps in gaining carbon credit, and what is the current status of using biochar, and what is government is planning about biochar. So why we have chosen this article? We have chosen this article mainly because UPSC in 2020 preliminary exam asked a question on biochar. So in recent innovation or recent news related to these kind of environmental related news is very much relevant topic for upcoming UPSC preliminary exam. Similarly, in UPSC 2020 asked a question on biochar. So let's see the question. So what is the use of biochar in farming? So UPSC asked about usage of biochar in farming. So biochar can be used as a part of growing medium and vertical farming. So biochar is a part of growing medium. It promotes a growth of nitrogen fixating microorganism. When biochar is a part of growing medium, it enables growing medium to retain water for long time. So you can see UPSC in 2020 asked a question on biochar. So this makes this topic highly relevant for upcoming preliminary exam. So let's start today's discussion with context of this article. So to start with, India generates large quantity of agricultural residue and municipal solid waste, and which causes air pollution and soil degradation. So converting this waste into biochar offers a sustainable solution for soil improvement, climate resilience, and carbon sequestration. So, in the one hand, India has huge quantity of municipal waste and agriculture residue, which can be converted into biochar. But dichotomy is that this municipal solid waste and agriculture residue generates environmental pollution. So this problem can be resolved through converting this municipal solid waste and agriculture residue into biochar, which further enhance environment and aid in agriculture. So now let's see some fact about biochar. So what is biochar? Biochar is a porous, stable, carbon-rich material produced from biomass, agriculture residue, and municipal solid waste. So biochar is a porous, stable, and carbon-rich material which is being produced from biomass and agricultural biomass and municipal solid waste. So how biochar can be produced? So biochar can be produced by heating organic waste at nearly 400 to 600 degrees centigrade under low oxygen or oxygen-free condition. So heating of organic waste at the heat of 400 to 600 degrees centigrade under low or oxygen-free condition can be famously known as pyrolysis method. So through this method, we can gain biochar. So how biochar can help? Biochar can store carbon in soil for 100 to 1000 years and acting as a long-term carbon dioxide removal technology. So biochar can help as a long-term carbon dioxide removal technology. So now let's see sector-wise benefit of biochar. So first sector is agriculture and soil health. So biochar improves soil moisture retention by 10 to 25%. So and another such benefit of in agriculture of biochar enhances soil fertility, soil organic carbon, and also these biochar are beneficial for nitrogen fixating microbes. So Biochar also reduces nitrous oxide emission by 30 to 35%. So biochar is very much helpful in reducing nitrogen oxide emissions. And biochar can increase crop productivity by 10 to 30%, especially in degraded soil. So biochar can increase productivity of degraded soil by 10 to 30%. So now usage and role of biochar in infrastructure and construction field. So biochar can act as low carbon additive in concrete. So and biochar also enhance a strength and heat resistance of building materials. See, biochar also convert construction material into long-term carbon sink. So once biochar used in construction material, long-term carbon sinks can be created as these carbon deposits is embedded in biochar. So it become a long-term carbon sink. So third is energy and wastewater treatment. Role of biochar in energy and wastewater treatment. So pyrolysis also produce syngas and boil for energy generation. So one one such one such benefit of pyrolysis is also produces syngas, which is further can be used in for energy and for running industries, and also boil for energy generation. So biochar also help in getting so much energy during the process. And biochar function as an efficient absorbent for freshwater treatment and pollution control. So biochar can be very helpful for efficient absorbent for freshwater treatment and pollution control. Now we see some challenges related to usage of biochar. So biochar can reduce earthborne activity and soil biodiversity. So biochar may reduce earthworm activity. As you know, earthworm is very much helpful in maintaining soil fertility. So it reduces the population of earthworm, and it may reduce the soil biodiversity. Another such challenge is excessive application of biochar can cause soil compaction and restrict root growth. So excessive application of biochar can cause soil compaction, which will further restrict root growth of plant. Biochar can absorb pesticide, which further reduce their effectiveness. So biochar can degrade the effectiveness of fertilizer or pesticides. Now our team has prepared a MCQ for this topic, as this topic is very much relevant for upcoming UPSC preliminary exam. Please attempt this question and comment down your answer in our comment section. And thank you for attending today's session. You can download complete PDF from our website. And for further preparation, please visit our website and YouTube channel. Thank you.